Pasamundos. Hi, everybody. Today we're going to talk about some shapes, okay? Let's see. We're going to talk about some basic shapes. Very simple. I got some videos for you to watch and a little worksheet to do. I hope everybody's doing a good job. Let's see here. Let's start with the shape everybody can recognize. That shape is a circle. Now look at this. Right here, this is how you spell circle. Now I want you to think about something real quick. See how circle, if we think of the word circle, right? We have a leaker there. We have a teeth leaker, which is usually the letter S, right? Circle doesn't start with an S, and that's why it can be a little bit tricky. C is the letter that starts circle because C is a stealer number, a robber number. He takes sounds from other letters, and we'll talk about that later. And that's why sometimes the word circle, it's hard for us to see it. So first graders, take a look. Kindergartners, you too, but mostly first graders because you're going to have to know this for your lesson. Circle is spelled C-I-R-C-L-E, okay? I'm going to look around, and I want you to look around real quick, and I want to find some things that have a circle in them. I'll be right back. Okay, I found some examples of some things that have circles. First of all, this quarter here is a circle, isn't it? Circle, right? I found this cap to like a Pepsi or something to my water, and it's a circle also. These shapes are all around us in everything that we see. Lots of shapes, right? I could take this little candy dispenser here and say, well, the end of it here is a circle, right? Huh? Circles are everywhere. How about this? Here's a circle right here. Circles are everywhere. And a circle is it curves and curves and curves. And there's some things that we can notice about a circle, right? It has only one side, and that one side curves and curves. There are no corners on a circle, and we call those corners angles. There's no angles on a circle, is there? No, a circle is special. It curves around and around and around, and it has no angles at all. No corners on a circle. All right, let's find some more shapes. Here's another shape. This is a square. Whoops. All right, this is a square. Now, a square is different from a circle, right? A square has 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners. It's got a corner here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's the tricky one, kindergarten. All the lines are the same length. That makes a perfect square. Let's look around. Look around your house. I'm going to look around mine. I'm going to see if I can find anything that is square. I'll be right back. All right, check out this block here. See one of these faces of the block? It is a square, right? 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 straight lines. 3, 4. And all these lines are the same length. That is a square. Wow, great job, Mr. B. Another shape, it's kind of like a circle, but it's not. It's kind of the same as a circle. It's called an oval. Oval. Now, see, it has one outside edge. It has no corners. But see how it's like a circle, but it's stretched out to one side? Like it's stretched like kind of like a football or maybe an egg, right? See that? That's an oval right there. That's kind of hard to find something that's like an oval, but like an egg would be like an oval, right? Or a football shape. That's called an oval. And we'll get better at these sounds. We will get better at them, or sounds. We'll get better at these shapes. Oh, here's a classic. Check this out. A triangle. How is it different or the same as a square? Well, it's got straight lines like a square, doesn't it? And it's got corners like a square, or angles like a square. Oh, wait a minute. This only has three. 1, 2, 3. It only has 3 angles. Oh, triangle. Tri means 3. 3 angles. It looks kind of like, what's it look like? Like a pyramid, right? It's a triangle. Here's a classic. It's a heart. This doesn't look very good on this paper, does it? Now, you might say, well, a heart, look at that. That's not a very well written one, is it? I didn't do this, so give me a break. This isn't a very good looking heart here, but I'm going to show you something you'll have to do later. Hold on. All right, check this out. Let's see, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a line straight down through that, right there. See what I did? Whoopsie, time out. So see what I did? I drew this line right down the middle. I cut it right in 2. You'll have to know that one day. Maybe we'll do that with the first graders here in the next few days. That's called a line of symmetry. That means this is the same as this side, right down the middle. They're both the same. But this heart's drawn so poorly, you can't tell. All right, what we're going to look at the next couple days, guys, until Thanksgiving, maybe a little bit after Thanksgiving, is we're going to look at some different shapes. We're going to kind of get started today. So I've got a little assignment for first grade and kindergarten. Let me pull those up. First graders, yours is going to be a little more difficult than kindergarten, but it's smaller. There's less work for you guys. So this is what you guys are going to get. And kindergarten, if you guys want to do this too, that's fantastic. What you have here is a shape. We talked about this shape, and right here is the word for that shape, heart. A red heart. A red heart. So you would color this heart red. So you would trace over these words, a red heart, and color that shape red. Then you would move down here to blue. A blue, now remember we looked at this word, circle. C says the S. C's a leaker in this word. A blue circle and a yellow triangle. Okay? So that's what you guys are going to do. You're going to write over these, trace over these words with pencil, and color them in with your crayons. Hopefully you have those crayons at home. Kindergarten, you guys are going to have this. Now look up here. See how the heart is yellow? So you would color that heart yellow. See that? See, or no, it's heart. Sorry, Mr. B's tired. See how the star is yellow? You would color the star yellow. And the heart is red. And the oval is blue. You just color in those shapes. And you can trace them too if you want to trace the lines. That's fun too. But this is mostly what I wanted you to do. All right, guys. I hope, well, this will just get us started into shapes. This is very difficult for me to do online. The next 3 days will be the last few days that I'm going to do it like this. Then I'm going to have Zoom lesson times. So hopefully we can all meet for Zoom lesson times. Anyways, I'll get back with you after Thanksgiving about that. Thank you so much for doing these lessons with me. I miss you all. Peace.